Hello everyone, I am Mahi and it's Sunday today. Every Sunday you will get an excellent special class. Today I will show you how to use am, is and are in the simple present tense. This lesson is divided into 4 parts. Grammar rules, a very easy to understand story, listen and practice, and quiz. So, no more wasting time, let's jump into the topics. Let's see where to use am. Use am with I. Example, I am happy, I am a student. Is. Use is with singular subjects like he, she, it, or a singular noun. Example, she is a teacher. The dog is cute. Are. Use are with plural subjects. They, we, or plural nouns. And also you. Example, they are friends. You are amazing. The cats are playing. It's time to very easy to understand story. Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a little girl named Maya. Maya is a kind girl. She is always happy and loves to help others. One day, she sees her friend Ravi. Ravi is sad because he lost his toy. Maya says, "Don't worry, Ravi. We are friends and I will help you find it." They both look around. They check the park, but the toy is not there. Where could it be? Maya wonders. Suddenly, they see a little puppy. The puppy is playing with something. Look, Ravi, the puppy is playing with your toy. Ravi smiles. Thank you, Maya. You are the best friend ever. Maya and Ravi play with the puppy and they are all very happy together. Now it's time to listen and practice. I will say some sentences and you can repeat after me. I am excited. She is my sister. They are playing outside. You are a great student. The flowers are beautiful. It's quiz time. Let's see what you have learned. Answer the following questions. What do you use with I? Your options is, am, are. Second question. Which sentence is correct? He are a doctor. She is a teacher. They is friends. Number 3. Fill in the blanks. You dash very kind. Your options am, is or are. Number 4. Choose the correct form. The birds dash singing. Your options am, is, are. Great job everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's class. Remember to practice using am, is and are every day. See you next Sunday.